Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the page. This is Erica and I pray that you all are doing well. So guys, it's snowing outside, it's freezing cold. Yes, cold. I don't understand it. Usually when it snows it's not that cold, but it's cold and it's snowing. So I just say, you know what, let me make some chicken foot soup. So first thing, I'm gonna cut off the nail part of this chicken foot. Use my scissors, cut off the nail part, and then guys, I'm gonna use, guys, I have this chicken in my freezer. I'm a freezer queen, guys, freezer queen. So I have some chicken breasts. I'm gonna put that in the soup. My celery that I cut up and put in my freezer, I'm gonna put in the soup. Guys, this is a mix up over here, and I found a bag of pigeon peas that my mom sent me from Jamaica, and you know I'm gonna wash it and cook it also in the soup. I'm gonna put some lentil in the soup. My carrots that I've cut up, I'm gonna put carrots in the soup, and I have some yam. I'm gonna put it in the soup, and I'm gonna put a potato in the soup and some dumpling. So guys, that's what's going on today. That is what's going on in this kitchen today. So guys, thank you so much for those who have been watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching the videos, and for those who are commenting, just the same. So please guys, continue to subscribe to the channel and follow the page and help me to grow. Yes guys, this is a faceless channel. I rarely show my face on the videos, so I like to do it this way because when I do it this way, it's easier for me. I'm not a young spring chicken, so I have to do what is easy for me. So right here guys, as you see, I'm taking off the toes, and I'm gonna wash down these with some vinegar or lemon. I think I'm gonna keep the lemon to drink in water, but I'm gonna use some vinegar. No, lime, because I run out of vinegar. I just realized, remember that I run out of vinegar. So I'm gonna use some vinegar. Not vinegar, come on, some lime. Yes guys, some lime. My mind is on vinegar because I always using vinegar to wash my meat, but I run out of vinegar, so I have lime, and that's what I'm gonna use. So when you're washing your meat guys, you can use either vinegar or lime. It take away the rawness from your chicken or whatever meat you're cooking. So guys, as I say, I'm doing a mix-up pot today. A mix-up pot, Jamaican style. Yes guys, when we were growing up in Jamaica, when we cook, anything we catch, we just throw in a pot. For me, I used to love to cook soup as a child. Everything I cook soup. My mom would cook and she give me my food, and before you know, I turn it into soup. So I just catch my pot and throw like, you know, something and make my own soup. Everything I love to make soup guys. So, and when I make my soup, in a matter, I like to throw different stuff in it. Sometimes the kids is not happy with it because they don't like all these different ingredients. But today it's not a lot of different ingredients. Today is carrots, vegetable and lentil soup with some pigeon peas or gungo peas. For us from Jamaica, we know it as gungo peas. I never hear the word pigeon peas until I come abroad. So I'm gonna use my gungo peas / pigeon peas to cook the soup. So guys, I'm gonna make sure I take off all these nails, the nails. So in the comment section, if you like chicken foot soup, drop it in the comment section and say where you're watching the video from. Yes man, sometimes guys, some part of my videos will be silent. I'm trying sometimes not to be silent. I do the silent part most of some of the time because I have my grandchild around, and sometimes he's making a lot of noise. So when I edit my videos, I have to just mute out some of the voice, the sound, and speed up the videos. So like today, he was here and he went home because it's snowing and Mama and Dada is home. So now I can make my videos without the extra noise. I missed him still. I still miss him. I wish he was still here. But That's how it goes. So that's right here, guys. You see, you cut off all the nails. For those of you who never make chicken foot soup before, try and make the chicken foot soup. Chicken foot soup is very nice, especially if you put some pumpkin in it. Wherein I don't have any pumpkin, and so I'm using what I have. Guys, I am the freezer queen. I love to freeze everything, and because I do that, now I want to make some soup, I don't have to run to the store, because everything I get, I cut up a little bit and put it in my freezer. And so that is why I'm the queen of freezing stuff. So watch the process, guys. I'm gonna go wash my chicken foot with some lime and come back and get the rest of stuff ready. So guys, I find one lime, you know, one lime, and it doesn't even, it don't have, there is not a lot of juice coming from it, but that's okay. I don't need a lot of juice to wash a chicken foot, because it's not a lot on chicken foot. You can't keep it too long in the lime water, because then the chicken foot will take on the sourness from the lime, and you don't want to spoil your thing. Come like one time, guys, I was cooking some turkey neck and have no idea about how vinegar really works. So everybody watching with chicken and thing with vinegar. So I went now and start to wash my turkey neck with vinegar. The thing about it is vinegar, turkey neck is raw. It have a high raw smell. So you have to wash it and soak it down good before you cook it. And so I put my turkey neck to soak for about an hour. When I wash that turkey neck, guys, and cook the turkey neck, you know, I wash it about 3 times, because that's how I cook when I'm doing my meat. I wash it a couple of times. Well, when I wash the turkey neck and cook it down, guys, this turkey neck was so sour. Hey, you think we were making lemonade? Thought I was making lemonade. Oh, that's how sour it was. So I don't want to do the same thing with the chicken foot. So I will be back. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put the lintel. So I'm gonna wash the lintel. My kids don't really like lintel soup, you know, guys, but that's what I'm doing today. I hope they like drink it today, because sometimes I cook and I think they're not gonna eat it, and they do eat it. So today is one of those days when I'm not sure if they're gonna eat what I make. So I have the lintel. I'm trying to pick off the one that is swimming to the top. The one that swims to the top tell you that they are not good. So whatever sink to the bottom, those good, and the ones that swim to the top, they are not good. So in the same bowl, guys, I'm gonna wash. In this same bowl, I'm gonna wash my pigeon peas, because it is frozen. I know my mom washed it before she sent it to me, but well, I can't guarantee. No, most likely not, because then it whatever. So guys, I like to say stuff, you know, me the recycle queen around here, the freezer queen, the freezing queen, and the freezer everything, guys. My mom sent me this plastic bag, so maybe I can use it for something. I'm not a reuser. I love to reuse stuff. So right here, guys, I'm letting the pigeon peas defrost. Whoa, guys, it's cold. Guys, I don't even know how long this pigeon peas is in the freezer. So now I'm gonna strain it off, and I will be back. So guys, I'm gonna wash this another 2 times or another 1 time. So I will be back, guys. Okay, guys, so because chicken foot take a while to cook, I'm gonna just put the chicken foot, putting the chicken foot and the lintel at the same time in the pot. So this is what I do. I run my lintel when I'm doing strain it off. I put it through the strainer, because the lintel is very fine and it's easy to just slip through your fingers. So that's what I do. So right now I'm just gonna cover this up and let everything boil, and then I'll start to add the rest of stuff. Okay, guys, so see, all these carrots I did, keep in my freezer. They're frozen, so I'm just gonna pour them in here and run some water over it. So that's it right there. I'm using half of it. And I'm gonna put some celery. So I'm gonna put some of this. And so I'm gonna rinse this off, guys, because it's frozen. I'm gonna rinse it off and take off the ice, get rid of that ice. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna peel my potato. Wow, this knife is dull. I'm gonna peel this, cube it up, wash it, and then after this I'm gonna dump the rest of stuff in the pot. My lentil is already cooked, almost cooked. So I'm just gonna put everything now. Oh Lord, I'm wasting the potato. Guys, this is a huge potato. So I'm gonna wash this and I will be back. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm cubing this up. Potato, either or potato, because I want it to completely melt out in the soup. Or not completely, but most of it melt out. And next I'm gonna pour, as I said, everything in the pot. Guys, if you're still here, thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and share. So this is Jamaican style cooking, guys. Or even if it's not Jamaican style, I don't know what to call it, guys. What to call it? Yes, guys, so now I'm gonna put the potato right in the strainer. I have the carrots and the yam and the celery. Even though I washed these already, guys, I washed them again. Not wash them again, but because they're frozen. So I rinse out all the ice off of it. So here you go. Guys, I'm gonna try to put some dumpling in here because my young people said soup without dumpling is not soup. So I'm gonna put my frozen chicken breast. So I'm gonna just drop this in here. And you know this is gonna take another hour to boil up. Well, probably not. No. So this is chicken foot and chicken. Guys, this is a pot of mix up. Yes. So right here I'm just gonna cover this and let it boil up back so the chicken can defrost. Oh guys, I forget, I want to put some Grace coconut cream in there to get a nice little flavor. So I'm gonna put some of this. Like how I put the Grace, I don't really cook with butter, guys. So like how I'm using chicken foot and chicken breast in the soup, that's the grease right there. I just spice up my stuff with my onion, my scallion, my thyme, and that's it. I don't put extra butter in my soup or whatever I cook, because the meat already, or whatever protein you make, already have all this oil. So you just have to season up your stuff to what you want it to taste like. Alright, okay guys, so now I'm gonna make my dumpling. I'm not putting a lot of flour, just a little twep. Always put a little bit for the strangers, for the visitor, not stranger, for the visitor. I'm gonna put a little drop of salt. Usually I don't put salt in the dumpling, but just a little bit. And I'm gonna knead it. Little at a time. Don't pour a lot of water one time, guys. Because if you pour too much water, it might spoil it. but then you're gonna have to put a lot of flour back in it to get it back to what you want it to be. I'm gonna make some small dumpling. Usually I put spinners, but I guess I'll see what I'm gonna do. Because I could make some very small dumpling. Right here. I just keep kneading it because the outside's soft. So you keep kneading it until everything combines. So there you go. And so you make a little small dumpling. Make some small dumpling like this, what I'm gonna make. Alright guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna season up my soup. So I have some dill powder. I blend out the dill. And I'm gonna put some thyme. I blend out the thyme. Where next time I won't blend out my thyme. I think I'll keep it the way it is. Because now I have this stick from the thyme. And I don't know what to do with it because I blend them out. And now I'm gonna add some Jamaican style pumpkin soup mix. Okay guys, I'm not gonna use more than 2 packs because even though I'm using the soup mix, I already put a little bit of Jamaican powder season in the soup already before now because I want it to take on the taste of the salt. I want it to take on the taste of the seasoning, not the salt, because guys, this is a huge pot of soup and tomorrow I definitely not cooking. Even if they drink up this whole pot of soup tonight, where they might not, because my children don't like when I cook soup sometimes because they said I put too much stuff in there. But this is a healthy soup. This is better than going to the restaurant, I will not call name, to buy fast food. This is healthy. All this chicken breast, chicken foot, lentil and gungu, carrot and celery, and yam and potato and dumpling. This is a healthy soup. This is healthier than going to the store. Look at my chicken foot. It's a healthy soup. Look at that. So now that I put the seasoning in, the coconut cream is already in there. I'm gonna turn it down and let it finish cook. Oh guys, I forget the scallion. So now I'm putting some scallion. Keep my scallion in my freezer. Cut them up and put them in the freezer, guys, so that they don't stay in my fridge and spoil. So now I stir everything and I'm gonna turn the stove down and let this simmer. Alright guys, I will be back. Okay guys, let's check on this soup. Trying to wait on it to get a little bit thicker. Although it doesn't want to be really thicker than this. Yeah, it's good. It's not sticking to the pot. So that's a good thing. Guys, this is my little dumplings. My chicken foot. Beans, pigeon peas, and lentil. So this is chicken foot soup with lentil, pigeon peas. So guys, if you watch the whole video, you see all the ingredients in this soup. And it look good, you know guys. Look good. Let me bring on the camera so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. See all of that? Nice guys. Guys, I wish I could plate. Maybe I should plate it, but I'm not gonna eat. Just had lunch and I am still full. So I'm gonna plate it when I'm done so you could see. Okay guys, this is it. Guys, if you watch the video to the end, please comment, subscribe, and share. Help me grow my channel, guys. Just check the, it's free to subscribe, guys. Just subscribe. And if you watch the video till the end, put in the comment section where you're watching from. And drop in the comment section white flour dumpling. Alright, so that's that. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna plate the soup, turn off the stove. And I'm gonna plate the soup for you to see. Bring up the camera a little bit higher. Alright guys, so as I said guys, I'm not gonna eat. I'm just plating it, so I'm gonna put like a chicken foot, 2 dumplings, because guys I love dumpling. Take some of the beans from the bottom and put in. Take some of the right here. Wow. It's hot guys, so there you go. I have to put it on the counter guys. So there you go. Up and personal. So that's it. Winter soup guys, winter soup. And guys, you can make this soup even if it's not winter time. That's it right there. So there you go guys, that's it. As I said, I'm not gonna eat because I'm still full from lunch. Alright guys, so if you try this recipe, let me know how you feel about it guys. Hope that it comes out just as nice or nicer than mine. Alright guys, so take care of yourself until next time, and remember that Jesus loves you. So have a blessed one.